These lovely little Halloween blocks are super easy and super inexpensive to make, and you start with a basic landscape timber. I'm using black paint on the edges of the landscape timber. I'll go back in with an orange after this dries, but the black is going to create dimension when I wet distress the orange paint. I created this stencil and contacted a custom stencil maker on Etsy, and he was able to create a bunch of these for me. There are still a few left on my website. I liked using the cotton swab to create the eyeballs because I already had a rounded edge that was pretty difficult for me to create with a paintbrush. I finished them off with a clear coat to protect the paint job. I'm using 3 different types of ribbon. The 2 thinner ones will become the leaves, and the fat one in the middle will become the stem. I'm going to cut them to approximately 12 inches, but I think that grew over time when you see how much I trim off of the edges of this. I stacked the 3 ribbons and then tried to eyeball the center. I stapled the ribbon with a staple gun. I put my staples about 1 inch apart so that it would secure them better, and it also made the stems thicker. I tied the 3 ribbons together, pulled them all tight, and then grabbed the wider ribbon on both sides and knotted it until I got to the end of the ribbon, and this created the height of the stem. The orange ribbon was double-sided, which is why I chose it for the leaves, but I took the 2 thinner ribbons and separated them out and shaped them to create the leaves.